So continuing with our spring cleaning, we're going to be giving Jenny a bath today. We're also going to be installing these fenders that our friends over at Rec Pro sent us. We told you guys when we pulled the skirting off this spring that we decided that we were going to go ahead and replace these fenders, and those are here. We're ready to install them. I'm going to give Jenny a bath. I'm going to make sure to scrub down the roof real good and to clean off the solar panels while I'm up there as well, and just give her a really nice bath today. So we finished getting the tires on. I think they look really good actually. It gives it like a nice little premium look to it. The dark color I think really makes the white on the camper pop. I think they turned out really good, and they're Cali approved.
This is the part I'm honestly most excited about cleaning the camper. We had the skirting on and we haven't washed it all winter, and you can see, look at this line of dirt, and even just getting it wet, it's gonna come off. I think it's gonna be oddly satisfying to actually scrub it and get it actually clean again. Or did I not do a good enough job? I can still see it faintly.
Faintly.
Faint line.
You're doing great.
All right, take 16 million.
Oh man, my beard looks so different. I trimmed my beard yesterday. I'm doing some spring cleaning today in the camper, and we've talked before about the importance of having a dehumidifier in your camper, especially during the winter months and then summer months when the humidity's high. And I just wanted to show you as I'm cleaning a little bit today. You can see on the slide out, you can see some of the spots here that have developed throughout the winter, and it feels a little damp in some spots. But I just kind of wanted to point that out, that it is important for you to have a dehumidifier. And I know that some of you guys like to be off grid and do solar, and we do as well. But if you're storing your camper, if you're fortunate enough to be able to do it at home or during the summer months, maybe when you're in campgrounds, I would have at least a small dehumidifier to try to keep your walls and the interior of your camper dry. One thing that we wanted to do along with these upgrades is update our propane tanks to a 30-pound tank. The 20-pound tanks have done us really well over the years, but our preference is to be able to stay at places longer and not have to fill up our propane tanks as much. So today I'm going to be taking off our 20-pound tanks off of the front of the camper and replacing them with 30-pound tanks. So our main line is already disconnected because we've been connected to this big 500-pound tank throughout the winter. So if you're looking at this and see that the main line's already off, that's why. This kit included a new base plate, and as you can see, our base plate is really rusted. So it'll be really nice to replace that rusted plate with a brand new one. I also got a new propane regulator, and this model right here actually came with the pigtails installed already. So The only thing that I should have to do is get the tanks mounted, put this on top, and then run the main line in once I disconnect from the big tank. Oh yeah. So we told you guys that we're replacing the fenders as well because the old fenders got broken and there are some spots on them. So we have new fenders. The fenders are here. I got the screws and everything, but I couldn't find them in black to match. So I have this idea of taking these screws and putting them in this piece of cardboard like this, and putting all the screws in the cardboard and spray painting the heads black to match the fenders. So we'll see how that goes. I think they turned out pretty good. So I'm gonna take these off the cardboard and get these fenders installed. It was pretty easy actually. We got number 10. Let me see where I can find these. To make sure that you guys, if you are doing the same thing to your grand design, I used number 10 3/4. This is a stainless steel self-tapping screws is what I used on ours, and I think it turned out pretty good actually. I'm pretty happy with it. I gotta take these over to the other side, do the same thing on that side, and then that's it. So that looks pretty good.